Alright, just doing a quick review of this Frigidaire refrigerator that's not cooling. It's a stand-up freezer. That's the model number. And what I noticed when I came in this unit was I noticed there was water and ice building up on the floor. I took a lot of the fluid out, so I can see this is where the evaporator is located, behind this compartment. And you could see the water kind of melted and then refroze and then start coming out the door. So that's how you really can tell you have a defrost issue. Now let's go look around the back of the unit. I got my steam machine warming up so I can defrost the evaporator coil and clean the drain system. Alright, so back here you have the compressor. That's the process tube, the dryer filter. This right here is the defrost timer control. This what controls the unit from cooling to defrost.